Hi friends, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see how the strings are constructed and how to use the strings in iOS. Basically, before starting that, there are two terms. One is mutability and another one is immutability. Mutability and immutability. Mutability means changeable, we can say variable, whereas immutability is constant. Right? My string is of type string. This is a immutable string, immutable object, we can say. This is a mutable string. Mutable string can be changed DNERDDi, whereas immutable string cannot be changed. When you want to change some value, it is high. I am trying to change that to my string equal to hello from hi. It is not accepting because it is immutable, means constant. This is let constant. Let me create a class here. I'm going to create car. Car contains some properties. Price, where, color, string. For colors, I can use enum. Let me create enum. Color is red, is blue, is black, is white. These are the 4 different cases it has. Here the color type is now color, and I'm also has some functions. Drive and stop, like break. Okay, here I have a car which is of type of structure, which is having 2 instance variables or properties and 2 methods. Apply, break. 2 instance variables and 2 instance methods. I'm driving a car. I'm applying, break. How to create? The structure is ready. The structure is ready. What we can do is we can create cars now. Let my car equal to car. Price is integer, it is asking some 10 lakhs, and color is enum, color dot black. If you want to change the color, let me change. Now my car object is there because car class or car structure is there. So I created my car. I can access the properties. Price equal to I'm changing to 9 lakhs. After a few days, I changed it to 9 lakhs, and I got it repainted. Color equal to color dot white. Also, I can call the methods drive dot apply break. What I'm trying to say here is, assume that car is there. So I created a car class object. Once I purchase the car class object, I can access the properties by using dot notation. I can also access the methods by using dot notation. Clear? This is a structure. I'm using one enum here. These things we have already seen. but I'm just comparing these with the strings now. Okay, let me create a string now. Let name equal to string. Again, ready. String is a class. We can say string is a structure similar to the car, which is also having some properties. String also contains some properties. To go inside and see the definition where the string is defined, okay, click, press command and click on the string. Jump to definition. See what exactly is the string. String is a structure. String is a structure. It is having init method. We can also use, like, see, we can directly give some value. We can also use a string object. However, we have used car, right? Car and parentheses. Similarly, also we can create strings. See what are the different properties it has and what are the different methods it has. If you know the properties and methods which it has, then you can use them as we are using car properties and car methods. Simple. But here we have created car, but string is created by the library itself. String structure we have not created. This has come from UIKit. UIKit is a framework. Okay, you can also see that. String is a structure. String contains some set of properties and methods. See what are the properties and methods it has. It has any number of many number of properties and methods. But we see what exactly we need. This is string structure. There are a couple of initializers, different variety of initializers. You can directly assign the value. You can also use init method. We don't need all this stuff. Here to check, see the method name, the property name is empty, which gives you the boolean, which is only get. Get means only you can read, you cannot set. You cannot set, only you can get the value. This is variable, it gets changed. If the string is empty, this value is empty. If string is not empty, this value becomes false. Similarly, has prefix. It is a method which requires a string as input and which returns you the boolean. Has suffix, which takes a string as input argument and returns you some output. Basically, you should know what are the different things can be done by using string. This is a car. I can use the car for driving, for applying the brake, for stopping it, for starting it. I can use, that is the functionality of car. Similarly, if you take string, what are the different operations we can perform? We can check is empty. We can check whether the string is valid or not. Length of the string we can find. How many number of characters in a string. I want to club multiple strings. That is concatenating strings. I want to convert the entire string into lowercase. I want to perform uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, capitalized. Capitalized means completely. I'll show you that. Capital case, we can say. I want to replace some part of the string. I want to return the string. Many things you can perform. Whatever operations you want, you can perform. Return the string. Reverse the string actually. Reverse the string. Well, check if the string contains a substring or not. Basically, we do not create anything. All these methods are already existing. You just need to use them. How to use them? Just to go inside the class and check what are the different properties it has and what are the types, what are the different types it is going to return. Similarly, what are the different methods it has and how to use them. You know how to use the methods. By looking the method name itself, you'll come to know what I need to pass, what it returns. Here it is taking nothing and returning nothing. Okay. Now let me first check whether the name is empty or not. If name is empty is a property, is empty is a property which is returning boolean, only you can get it, only you can read it, you cannot set the value. Is empty, string is empty. I want found number of characters. Okay, let count equal to name dot count. Count is a property again, which is again get property only. You cannot set the count, you can set the string. The count property depends on the string length. Okay, you cannot directly set if the string is ABC, you cannot set count is equal to 100. Even if you try to set it won't accept. Let's see, name dot count equal to, I want to set 100, but actually my string is length is 7. This is get only property. This is the reason yesterday we have seen get only properties. Count and length of the string is count. Let's print. Unterminated literal. Okay. Length of the string is 7. Assume that if the string is empty, this should be true. String is empty should be printed. String is empty. Is empty. The purpose of is empty is it just checks whether the string contains empty string or it is contains some value. And I want to convert my enter string into lowercase print name dot lowercase. Lowercase is a method which returns you the string C. Lowercase is a function method which is returning string. Similarly, uppercase and capitalized. Uppercase, capitalized. Capitalized is a property. Uppercase and lowercase are the methods. See here, it is not getting printed. It is simply printing lowercase is a /n. The reason here is this is not mutable. This is immutable, right? Let me make that. Let lowercase equal to name dot lowercase. Similarly, uppercase equal to uppercase. Capitalized equal to capitalized. These properties are already existing in string structure. We are just using them. Oops. Sorry. Here is the issue. Actually, it is not having DNERDDi. That is the issue. Actually, it's supposed to be printed earlier as well. Okay. Here, lowercase, which is this. Uppercase is everything is in caps. Capitalized means every word first character is capital. That's DN. Here, first word, first letter is caps. Similarly, second word, first letter is caps. This is capitalized. I want to compare two strings. Let first name equal to letter, last name equal to DNERDDi. I want to compare. How to compare? We are having comparison operator, right? If first name equal to last name, print first and last names are equal, else first and last names are not equal. This is comparison operator. First and last names are not equal. Similarly, see what are the different things the string has. We can check that and we can use it. Is empty. Whatever we actually need in real time. I'm just telling them is empty is one thing. Has prefix, has suffix. Let's see. I want to check if the name is having prefix, has prefix, whether the string is started with DN or not. Name is started with DN. Similarly, has suffix. Suffix means at the end. Has suffix, whether it contains ready or not. Just run till here. Started with, ended with. Name is ended with ready. That is the purpose of has suffix and has prefix. Okay, and see what else we need here. Count we have already seen. I want to check contains. Contains is I want to check whether the string contains something or not. If name but contains red or not. Contains is very important. We are generally we use it regularly. It contains red, whether the substring contains something or not. I want to replace the red with something. Let's see if we can do. Name that replace sub range. It is asking replace substring. Okay, replacing is not direct. There is no direct way actually. Replace substring range with an element content collection. Sub range with a collection. Okay, here it is asking for range expression. Anyways, we'll do that. Before that, see what else we have. Here we have remove last. Last character will be removed. Here it is mutating. Actually, it is changing the string itself. It is changing the string itself. This is structure, right? In structure, if you want to modify any properties of that structure in a structure method, we need to use mutating keyword, right? That is what the mutating keyword is. For inlineable, I'll tell you what is inlineable. Rest everything is known. Remove last, just removes last n characters. How many characters if you want to remove, those many characters can be removed. Drop last how many characters you want to drop, leave, that will be returned back. Okay, suffix, I don't know even what here the description also given. You can go through them, but whatever are required, I'm telling them. I'm telling to you. Pop first means only remove the first character. Drop first, drop prefix, suffix, prefix. Split last to get the last character, which is last. First index, which we see actually, that is somewhat important for interviews. Last index, last index. Remove first character, remove first, remove last. Enumerated, minimum, max. Okay. Substring is actually again a structure. This is string. String generally we use. This is string. Okay. If you see after string, they have used extension to extend the functionality. Instead of writing everything in the single structure, they are using in the library. They are using extension to extend the functionality. Actually, the is also part of extension. If you clearly see, they have used extension and they have put some properties and some methods here. Is empty, count is again a property. Here, one more extension. This is from index. From index. Again, one more extension from index. Again, one more extension with some. See, this is actually should be a class or structure. Structure is not allowed. This is a protocol. Should be a protocol. Let me open that. Okay, they have used many structures and extensions. Many extensions they have used. This should be a protocol actually, because the string does not allow inheritance, right? Yeah, this is protocol only actually. Okay, let me get a first character. Basically, in C language, if you remember, when you place a string inside a variable, how exactly it will be created? It starts from zero index. The first character will be stored at 0th index as part of as a form of array. It will be stored. Okay. Second character will be saved at index 1. Third character will be saved at index 2. But here, this index is different. Print name. Now, if I want to get first character 0, see, it won't allow here because the way the Swift strings are stored is different. Subscript is unavailable. Cannot subscript string with an int. Use string.index inside instead. Actually, we are passing integer. Integer indexes are not available. String.index you need to pass to get the value. String.index. How to get the string.index is the matter. What is string.index? First of all, see. String.index. That is what it is asking. Go inside and see what exactly the string.index. Index, we get many string.index. Index. here. String.index is an extension. Okay, where is the actual string.index? Struct index. Yeah, index is part of string actually. Might be confusing as the string has a lot of documentation. It is part of string actually. Okay, how to get the first index? Let me show you. This is what we need to pass. If you pass string.index here, it returns you the first character. Let me create a string.index. Name dot first start index. See what the start index is giving. Start index is giving you the string.index type. Okay, I can pass that here. I'm passing string.index type so that we get some character. We can perform based on that. We can perform here. First character, what I got is D, start index, end index. See, actually, it used to not return earlier. Let's see what we are trying to access I, but see what happens. End index means I'm supposed to print I. Okay, actually, end index -1 we need to use. Let me do how to do that. Last index equal to name nunchi start index dot offset. Start index dot, what is the method? Code offset. X. Where? Index after name dot start index. Let's see what prints. From string, I'm going to get index. What is the index of what is the position of index? Start index. That is what I'm trying to do. N is printed here after start index, right? After starting index means starting is this. After that, it is N. But there is some property, I guess. Just need to type beautiful encoded offset. మనం సింపుల్గా ఏంటంటే మన ఈ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్లోకి వెళ్ళేసి మనకి ఏవైతే అవసరమో అవి సెర్చ్ చేసుకోవడమే. వాటి బేసిక్ ఐడియా ఏంటంటే కనుక మీకు ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ చూడంగానే మనం ఎటువంటి ఆపరేషన్స్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు అన్నది బేసిక్ ఐడియా ఉండండి. కార్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేయగానే దాన్ని మనం డ్రైవ్ చేయొచ్చు, స్టాప్ చేయొచ్చు, స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, బ్రేక్ వేయచ్చు. అది ఫంక్షనాలిటీ. స్ట్రింగ్లో ఏం చేయొచ్చు, కంపారిజన్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎంటీ ఉందో లేదు చెక్ చేసుకో, లోయర్ కేసు, అప్పర్ కేసు, రీప్లేస్ ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు, ఏదైనా స్ట్రింగ్లో ఏదైనా సబ్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇదేదో ప్రాపర్టీ ఉంటుంది ఒకటి. సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని మనకు కనిపిస్తాయి ఏమేమున్నాయి కూడా. ఇక్కడ లేదా ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్సెట్ బై Index offset by is the thing property method actually. Name lo nunchi we are trying to find index. Okay, the here index is start index we need name dot start index plus 3. Fourth character I want to achieve. I want to print. Now see. 1 0 1 2 3 4. Fourth character is this. Okay, I want to print after 0 means second character which is supposed to be n. Let's see here. Okay, after this index, which index, what is the current index? Name lo nunchi we are finding index of start index offset by 0 తర్వాత ఉన్నది మనకు కావాలి. This is 0. Okay, if you want to get a last character, how to get end index -1, try. Actually end index -1 is this. Maybe you need to use -2. Okay. End index after we are checking after means you need to point this. When you point this, after that I will be printed. Okay, ఈ విధంగా మనము ఈవెన్ ఇండెక్సెస్ ని కూడా చేసుకో ఇండెక్స్ తో మనం ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తాం ఇంకా.